in this video, I'm just going to go through what we've put together here in MLM Lead Pro. But actually, this system is a standalone system that you're going to be able to get access to. So how would you like to grow your leads list to 30,000 plus members? We've got the blueprint right here, and you can download this and you can follow along. But this entire system can get branded to you. We've got the templates you can select. Once you've selected your template, you put your user ID in there, click save. So your ID goes in here and you click rebrand. It copies it to clipboard. You can access the training and everything is branded to you. So it's really that simple. I always like to build brandable content for my team so that you can duplicate, and then you get access to the email swipes that all automatically brand to you and everything. And then you just copy them to clipboard. We give you access to the graphics. So guys, what is this? This is a blueprint. This is a system that I want to share with you guys to give you that unfair advantage, give you the edge. This is a system that really is the system, in my opinion, where a lot of people have struggled. And I've built up teams. I've built up big teams over the months, over the years. And I do listen to people's issues, people's struggles. And I often talk about rebrandable content because I want people to have that leverage. So everything that I'm putting out there, because I believe that that's important. If I'm going to be putting good quality content out there, I might as well make it rebrandable. So that's what I always lead with, because I'm capable of doing that. That's the first question people ask. They say to you, well, how can I get a page like that? How can I set up a landing page like what you've got? How can I do graphics like what you've got? This and that. So I like to make sure that my team have all the gear, the content, everything, the downloadable PDF, everything gets branded. So even the PDF itself gets branded to you. So downloading the blueprint right here is completely rebrandable to you. PDF downloads, the whole thing it's all about the power of numbers. The button at the bottom rebrands to the member. You can get back to the training area right there. It's all yours. You share it out. So what I've discovered is it's a lot easier to give out free, rebrandable, tangible content that people can use, and just giving away a system that tells people, that shows people, that teaches people step by step how they can build a list of 30,000 subscribers. And then you offer them the tools that they're going to need to be able to achieve that. And that's what we've got here with List Elevate. So with List Elevate itself, that would have been enough, because it's an incredibly powerful system. But what I've done is I've put together the extra duplicatable team tools that you can use right here so that you guys can rebrand and set up in no time at all. That's what it's all about. We don't need capture pages because List Elevate already provides us. They go to List Elevate and obviously this is fine. So we get the lead capture pages, we get the autoresponder system, everything's built in. And all I'm doing is I'm just giving you the leverage. I'm giving you the head start. I'm giving you what you probably wouldn't normally have access to. So you get all these pages, you get the training, you get all the setup guides and everything, and the landing pages and the rebrander tools. We've also added into MLM Lead Pro as well, so you can be able to set that up and then access the training. Thanks for watching, guys, and see you on the inside. Bye for now.